Hi, this is Tony. I will teach you how to create affiliate ads today. First, log into the TikTok Ads Manager and select Campaign. Now, click the Create. When you go next page, choose Product Sales to promote products from your shop or showcase. Then let's write a campaign name that you can easily identify. For example, you can write advertising content plus expected content. For me, I choose VSA and a high conversion. The next step is to decide campaign budget. This is based on how much ad spend you expect to use per day. I recommend an initial budget of $1,000, and it often won't be fully spent. Now, let's decide the name for your ad group. It should be easy to recognize, so I usually recommend including the ad content like VSA along with the date such as today's date, 1104, and the sequence number. If this is the first group of the day, label it 1. Next, select your TikTok shop or showcase. For this part, you can decide who you want to reach, deciding your customer's age range and the interest based on your product. For example, because this product is a supplement, so I choose food and health as a label. After that, set the budget for each ad group. For example, if you plan to run 4 videos and expect each to spend $75 per day, then you can set a budget of 300. And don't forget to click Now to release the ad. Finally, you can decide on your goal. For example, selecting gross revenue aims to maximize your ROAS, while choosing purchase allows you to set bids for each ad. For instance, if your product sells for $32 and you aim for a ROAS of 8, your purchased bid would be $4 per conversion, as 32 divided by 8 equals to 4. And remember to choose Accelerate. The final step is to choose your ad videos. You could choose both TikTok post and affiliate videos through here. And for the affiliate ads, you could ask your affiliates for the ad code. Once they give you the ad code, you could put the link here, and the video will be automatically presented here. Then, repeat the process for 4 times to choose 4 videos you want to use, and click the Publish All. The setup for the ad campaign will be complete. In the end, you can check the ad status and the ad spending and everything here. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. Hello, this is Tony. Today I will teach you how to use our Zavi GPT tool to duplicate your ads. First, click Advertisement and enter the name of the ad account which you want to duplicate. Then choose its ad group. When you're into this page, you can view the ad spend status here. And the next step is to decide which ad groups to duplicate. This should be based on 2 key metrics: gross merchandise value, GMV, and return on ad spend, ROAS. You can duplicate an ad group when it meets both high GMV and high ROAS. When you decide which group to duplicate, you can click the button. Now you can decide the number of copies you want. I recommend to duplicate 10 copies each time. Then set the time. The key point here is that duplicating each ad group takes about 5 minutes. So duplicating 10 groups will take roughly an hour. Adjust the time interval to 1 hour. The next step is to select your optimization goal, similar to how it's done in TikTok Ads Manager, but the difference here is that we set a minimum bid and a maximum bid. For example, If the number of copies is 10, the minimum bid is £4 per action, and the maximum bid is £4.2 per action. The first duplicated ad group will have a bid of £4. The second will have £4.02. The third will have £4.04, and so on, with the incremental bids up to £4.2 per action, totaling 10 duplications. Once you click confirm, it will automatically start running, and there's nothing more you need to do. You can go back to TikTok Ads Manager to check the duplication status. Remember to select the same ad account. The duplicated groups will have random numbers added to the end of the original ad group name. Or you can go back to the tool, click Add Monitoring, then Duplication. You can also check the process here. Once the duplication complete, it will show as ended. Thank you for your listening. See you in next video. Hi, this is Tony, and now I'm gonna teach you how to use our Zavi Ads tool to copy your ads. First, you're gonna choose which ad account you want to copy and select its ads. And then, similar to the criteria for duplicating the ads group, select those ads with high GMV and high ROAS to copy. And remember, do not copy product shopping ads, because additional product shopping ads would not generate any increase in revenue. And also, only copy 4 ads at a time, as our experience shows that it will bring the best result. After selecting the ads, choose which ad group you want to paste and click confirm. Now, find the ad group which you just pasted, and the copied ads will appear here. The copied ads will have random numbers added to the end of the original ad's name, similar to the duplication of ad group. And if you cannot see it, just go back to the ads tool, click Ads Copy to check the ads copy status. If it's showed as in progress, maybe you should wait 10 to 20 minutes and go back to your ad account to check again. Thank you for your listening. See you in next video. Hi, this is Tony, and now I will teach you how to use Zavi Ads Automation Rules. First, select Rules Manager in Automation Rules and click Add. The first rule is for the rule name. I recommend to name it according to your rule criteria. For example, I named it as ROAS low, which means it will turn off the ads with low ROAS. Then select the ad accounts you want to apply the rules. You could also decide which dimension you want to apply, for ads or for ad group. Then you can decide the rule will apply to the active ads or for the past ads. For this part, it's for setting the time monitoring criteria. If you select recent 2 days, the rule will only monitor the ad's performance over the last 2 days. After that, set the rule conditions. You can set it based on metrics like ROAS, cost, click-through rate, and purchase rate, or combine multiple criteria. In the end, you can decide what action you want to take. For example, I have it set to monitor ads from its whole promotion period, and if the spend exceeds £20, but the ROAS is below 4, then the ad will be paused. After you click confirm, the rule will be settled, and you have to turn on the rule manually. The system will check your ad account every 5 minutes. If there are any ads or ad group that meets the rules, the action will be executed automatically and displayed in the operation history section. Or you could just check your ad account to see if there are any ads or ad group are paused. Thank you for your listening. See you.